Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, Windows could not find a driver for your network adapter fix. First method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run the troubleshooter under Internet connections. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update network adapter driver from my computer. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uninstall network adapter and restart system. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet, click Network Reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.